In this video, we'll teach you how to auto-accept payments in Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App, and to activate this function, you need to click your profile in the top right corner. You need to scroll down until you will see Security, click on it, and in the top you will find Security Lock. You need to click on this, and the option to auto-accept payments should be right here after you will set up your security lock and Cash App PIN. But if you don't see an option like I don't see it right here, you can do the simple thing. You need to go back, scroll all the way down and click support. Then you need to scroll all the way down again and select chat. And in the chat, you will directly contact to the Cash App support where you need to explain your issue that you don't see an auto accept payment option in the menu. So they will help you to activate this function on your Cash App. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.